sign to say
Dizzy,
Dizzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Doodle Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you, Joe.
Don't worry, that will be with you tomorrow. We're always very careful here at Dizzy Deliveries.
Ah, hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Hello, Ozzy. I have some deliveries for you.
Good.
You will be delivering paint, trucks for the skateboard, and gas to the skate park. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Daddy.
Sonny is waiting for you. He will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go.
Oh, is it raining? I better check the weather.
Well, the weather doesn't know what it's doing. There's sunshine here, there's thundery showers, there's even snow. Hello, Joe.
You can see me?
Yes. Are you going to the skate park today, Joe?
Yes! What's the weather going to be like?
Oh, Joe, it's going to be raining at the skate park today.
Will I bring my umbrella?
Yes. Bring your umbrella, Joe, but be careful.
Oh, thank you.
Bye, Joe.
Bye. Come on, Ozzy. Let's go.
Where is the skate park?
Ah, hello. I'm Joe.
Daddy.
Ah, hello, Sonny. Oh, the skate park is closed.
Let's love sign. Park. Park. You sign. Park. Good.
The skate park is closed.
I didn't do sign.
You're waiting on a new sign?
Hey,
Ah, paint! My first delivery. Wait here.
oh dear.
Ah, paint.
No. That dog.
That's chalk. I have an idea. Look at this. It's raining. Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, hey!
Hello. What's your name?
Augie.
It's lovely to meet you.
Who are you?
I am Evan. I'm going to paint the new sign.
Ah, you're going to paint the new sign.
The sign will say, welcome.
Let's love sign. Welcome. Welcome. You sign. Welcome. Good. Welcome.
Evan is a great painter. But Sonny is really good.
What did you say? Joe, do you want to go skating?
Let's love sign. Go. Go. You sign. Go. Good. Go.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes, I have a board.
You have no trucks.
No trucks for the wheels on the skateboard. Truck? My second delivery. Wait here. Trucks.
I don't think they're the right trucks, Joe. I think they're the trucks you need, man. Yes, Joe. Same as these ones. Oh, man.
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Gas? My third delivery! Wait here! Run!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Gas!
I can go.
Now, can we have a fizzy drink?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can, yeah?
Yeah.
Drink, yeah.
Oh, it's time for me to go. I've had a great day. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.